So today I was gonna take you on a graffiti tour, show you some stuff. But I came across like this really crazy artist squatter compound area, which I think would make a good video because I have never seen anything like this before. And I'm not gonna necessarily give away where it is because I don't want people to know who aren't familiar with this area to come here. And I always think that's the best way to do things. But I mean, talk about social distancing. This is crazy. There's nobody over here. You go to any park right now in New York City, there's so many people. I don't understand. It's like, okay, stay away from each other, but everyone go to the same park. And I wanted to get as far away from people as possible. I got my mask. I'm not wearing my mask right now. But I'm on foot. I'm on my cruiser deck. I was skating. I skated up here. Hello, anybody here? Hello, anybody here? This is sort of funny because it's a bunch of Christmas trees he collected, and they're all dead. It's just all dead Christmas trees. It's like a little forest with a tree fort. I've been having a couple encounters with some homeless and squatter people lately, so I'm not really trying to test anyone right now. I don't know who's around. He definitely puts a lot of work into this place, and I wouldn't doubt it if he's protective over it. But I'm just here to check it out. Man, this is kind of crazy. It's beautiful, all this stuff he's collecting, and just like an artist gone mad. You know, honestly, I had no idea this stuff was even here. Last time I came here was like 2 years ago, and I went down there to see some graffiti pieces, and there was a couple trenches dug out. It's got some fish tanks. I mean, this is... This is kind of crazy. I should put my mask on. Yo, this guy went all out. This is insane. Yo, this is really unbelievable. Hello, anybody here? Wow, this is really on some next level, like insanity. Hello, anybody here? I've never seen anything like this before in my life. Holy cow. Anybody here? Just taking pictures. I don't even want to know what's in there. I don't have my light on me. This is crazy. I mean, I came here a few years ago, and some of these moats were kind of dug out, but I don't know what to look at. I'm looking at I used to come down here to look at the walls with the graffiti. Now it's like this insane, like, art project. I mean, I don't even know what to call it. It's just like an insane collection of garbage. But, I mean, the guy's just making art down here. These are some really old pieces from '96. Let me see if I can get closer. I've never seen, like, it so flooded down here. Like, this is unbelievable. Right now, I'm like standing on a car seat. Oh, man. And I have to like jump across this. This is nasty, dude. Damn it. I don't even know if I can make it onto that. I want to get closer to show you this wall. It's gonna snap. Yeah. I'm going for a swim if this breaks. Okay. I think I made it. It's a shame the face is scraped out. I mean, this is a scene piece from 1996. It's also a shame that the sun is leaving shadows on the wall. But honestly, I don't know how much better it would be. There's a ton of other pieces down that way. There's actually a sweat piece right here. Sweat. I can barely read it. It's so chipped and faded. This Can 2 piece has been here since 90. You could see the date right here, 96. But yeah, these are like some of like my most favorite pieces running in the city. And this scene piece. There's some other pieces further down, but they're really thick in the jungle right now. I don't think I'm gonna make it to them. This is really, really crazy, this whole project down here. So he took this old utility room and made it into like supply closet. I mean, this is where this dude hangs out. Yo, this guy is crazy. So this is an old train station, I believe. I never actually like kept tabs on the exact history of it, but see, I'd like to know what his intentions are when he's building this. Is he having like an imaginary like war going on? Like these are forts or something, or he's just getting kind of creative? He definitely goes to town with the paint. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment if you like this video, and I'll catch you on the next video.